Hi, I'm Kristen, the property manager here at The Willows. In this video, we're going to share 3 aspects of the Willows lifestyle: location, living options, and community. We're thrilled to share this with you. Let's get into it. The location here is unbeatable. We're within the heart of the East End, next to the established Hurstbourne and Plainview neighborhoods, within moments of 64 and Shelbyville Road. We're so close to Kroger and Lowe's, you can walk there if you want. Then there's shopping, parks, tons of local restaurants, all within minutes from here. With so many nearby conveniences, you can spend less time doing what you need to and more time at home. Now let's talk about living options at The Willows. We've got 12 different floor plans ranging from studios, lofts, and townhomes. Whatever you're looking for, it's here. And these homes are marvelous. We've crafted welcoming, functional residences, well appointed with all the things to foster a sense of pride that every resident deserves. Things like walk-in closets, a room of its own, modern bathrooms, designer fixtures. You will love it here. The Willows have done so much to bring out the full potential of livability, but we have one more thing: our community. There's so much going on. We like to have fun here, and the engagement among our residents is really something. We host food truck events, wine nights, lounge by the pool, relax by the fire pit, or you can take a walk around our immaculate surroundings. So many options. And when you're having this much fun, you can still take care of other things. Here at the clubhouse, you have access to a shared workspace, a pet spa, and the fitness center. We even have a bike garage, a car wash, and we're getting an Amazon hub. We've got you covered. That's a quick look at life here at the Willows. If you'd like to call this place your next home, call our leasing team. We'd love to have you.